Welcome back, everybody. You're looking at the one and only, the highly coveted, the long anticipated Blackstone 22-inch pizza oven. I just got mine. I tested it out just to make sure I didn't blow up a pizza. Worked out really well. So let's make a pizza. Blackstone actually made a pizza oven starting 10 years ago. It was amazing. You can go way back in the YouTube archives and watch yours truly making pizzas on it. But we're back in the pizza game, and the first offering is this. So it's the 22-inch conversion. That's right. This only works on the 22-inch Blackstone griddles. So when I talk conversion, I'm talking conversion. Check this out. It actually goes down inside your griddle. Your plate comes off. If you have a hood, you need to get rid of it. Goes down in. There's a heat shield underneath. And if you walk around here, it literally converts your 22-inch into a pizza oven. There's the exhaust. It uses a convection current. There's a vent on top. We have cool to the touch handles. And if you look right here, we have a bulk tank adapter hose. You can actually take it camping. If you want to run this off a 1-pound propane tank, have at it. It's got a little door in the front. It uses dual stone technology. You can see a stone on the bottom, stone up there on the top, and you can get some serious oven temperatures on this thing. Super duper hot. So we're going to go ahead and put my door up on top. We're going to show you exactly what I'm doing. I tested this out just 10 minutes ago, and I'm not a pizza expert, so please have mercy on me. This is exactly the way that I tested this out. I used the dough recipe. Blackstone has a few different dough recipes on their website. They have one with a long rise, and they have one with a quick rise pizza. So that's what this is here. I'm gonna put this straight down on my wooden pizza peel, and we're using the semolina flour today because I asked the Blackstone engineers which one they preferred, and they said that they liked the semolina best. So there we go. I'm not claiming to be a pizza expert, but we've got something that's in that remote round figure, and we're gonna use DeLallo pizza sauce. I love DeLallo. They're out of Pennsylvania, Jeanette, Pennsylvania, about an hour away from where I went to college in Indiana, Pennsylvania. I know Blackstone Betty loves their products as well. Been using their stuff for a couple of decades. There we go. You definitely want it to be on the thinner side, something like this. We're going real simple today here, folks, because I just want to show you my first experience with Blackstone's brand new 22-inch pizza oven. So, mozzarella, right? I'm sure we'll bring all kinds of fancy pizzas to you here in the near future. But we are going to keep it simple so I don't look stupid, hopefully. There we go. Going down with cheese, and then we'll go straight in with some pepperoni. Oregano. We go down with a little bit of oregano. I always like to put a lot of, where I grew up, we put lots of spices on our pizza. So oregano and basil. You'll be seeing me using fresh basil here soon. But today, we're just going to use some dried basil. A little bit of thyme as well. Like that. And lastly, a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of salt. Pumping hot. I'm going to turn this down to super low. We are at 630, 640 degrees. Let's go in and see if we can do it. See, semolina flour doing its job. Straight in and straight down with the timer. Bingo right now. And we're going to watch this thing like a hawk. I do not want to burn my pizza. Again, I'm brand new to this, and I'm not a pizza making expert. I did work at some pizza restaurants in college, but that was like 30, 35 years ago. So here we go. I might be America's griddler, but I'm certainly not America's pizza maker. So we're looking good so far. I don't see anything burning. Okay. I can hear it. Oh, I see bubbles starting to come up. You see the bubbles, Hannah? There we go. They're starting to come up. And friends, don't mind me. I'm paranoid. I'm watching this thing like a hawk. I want to make sure I don't burn the pizza. We're looking good. Looking good. We are 50 seconds in, folks, so we're under a minute. You can see we're already starting to get bubbles right there. So looking good in the hood right now. Oh, let's see, before I forget, a good time to talk about where can you buy this. This is currently a Walmart.com exclusive. So don't ask me if you can buy it in a Walmart store. You can't right now. They're a Walmart.com exclusive, and they are limited quantities. So I can't tell you how long it's gonna last, but I do know they will run out eventually. Look at that bubble. Perfecto, and we're looking good. Nothing, oh, here we go. I'm gonna go in and see if I need to rotate. See, I'm noticing right here that we were getting a little bit of color right there, see? So I'm gonna rotate this thing real quick and shove it right back in. See that semolina flour, folks, doing its trick. 1 minute and 55 seconds. I actually had a viewer last night when I posted a picture saying, I doubt this thing can cook a picture. Could cook a picture. Well, it probably could cook a picture, but it's for cooking pizzas. It could cook a pizza for sure. And he was hesitant. And like I showed you earlier, if you look at this again, Hannah, it literally converted. If you didn't tell somebody this was a 22-inch Blackstone griddle that we turned in to a pizza oven, you wouldn't believe it. It literally becomes, understand that, folks, it turns your 22-inch into a pizza oven. It doesn't help you cook a pizza on a 22-inch griddle. It turns. It takes your 22-inch griddle and turns it into a pizza oven. So take that for what it's worth. 2 minutes and 30 seconds in, and I think we are close. We're definitely within a minute here, folks, of this thing being completely done. I do not want a burnt pizza, but at the same time, we don't want a raw pizza either. So, but that is looking good. Blackstone has this two-stone technology. I know we showed it earlier, but you can see the stone on the bottom and there's a stone on top. And this thing pumps out some serious heat. It's hard to mention temperatures with you, just like with the griddle, because you're gonna have to see what works for you. You might have a thicker dough, a thinner dough. So, but obviously you wanna have it hot, you know, at least that stone up there in that 400 or 500 degrees or warmer range to properly cook a pizza like this, a fresh dough pizza. When I pulled it out, it was about 4 minutes and 15 seconds. All right, let's cut this bad boy up. Hey, by the way, take a look at that. Okay, let's cut it and show you what it looks like here. Second pizza that I've made in the brand new Blackstone pizza oven. This probably came out actually slightly better than the first one. So the good thing is the learning curve doesn't seem to be too steep, especially if you use an amazing recipe for the dough like the one I use from Blackstone's website. Go ahead, Hannah, and get some close-ups of this, some beauty shots. Look at that. And we'll look at the bottom here, friends, too. Don't you worry about that. Let's show the bottom if we can. Can you show the bottom? That's the way I like it to look. See, I like some black on there, some color, but I do not like a burn to the crisp pizza. So let's go ahead, let's give it a try. Hear that? That's wonderful, friends. You can make any kind of pizza you want to in this. We did this in essentially 2 or 3 takes, just the intro. And you can buy this at Walmart.com. Stay tuned. I know all the Blackstone cooks, CJ, Nate, and Betty. I've got a ton of Blackstone pizza oven content coming your way. And make sure you're watching me right here. This is my weekly show. I call it Let's Give It a Try on Blackstone social media. Until next time, praise the Lord and pass the pizza.